Number 7, you could get it your way in a real palace. Then, for our 6th best fast food stop on Earth, we skated into Texas. In our 5th best stop, you had to bundle up to use the drive-thru. And you had to guess who was the real Colonel Sanders at number 4. Different is good at our number 3 on our list. And number 2, you don't break the rules here, unless you want to get shot. But for our number 1 best fast food stop in the world, the